Hello friends, today I will show you how to add a location or address to your Instagram bio. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing. Without any delay, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now you need to change your account type to a professional business account because the location is only added in the business account type. As you can see, I have a personal account, so let's change to a business account. Click on Edit Profile and then scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on the switch to Professional Account and then click on Continue all these 4 pages. On this page, select your category. After that, tap on this toggle button to turn it on to display this on your profile, and then just click on Done. Now, on this page, you must select Business and then click on Next. If you don't need a promotional email from Instagram, then turn off this toggle button and again click on Next. Right on this page, just click on the business address. Now, finally enter your home or shop location here. After entering it, just click on Done and make sure you turn on this toggle button to display contact info on your profile page and simply click on the Next button. On this page, if you want to connect your Instagram to Facebook, then click on Log in to Facebook, but if you do not want to connect right now, then click on Skip. Here on this Setup Professional page, I am going to complete only one step. You can do the same for the rest of the steps. So now click on Get Inspired, go inside it and click on this tick icon. If you are not able to complete all the steps, then don't worry. You can also do it later. After that, cut this page from here. Now you can see that the location is successfully added and showing on the profile. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.